Some of the reasons Precision Automotive and Transmission is voted the area's #1 auto repair facility year after year. A warm and friendly welcome mat makes it easy to step up to customer satisfaction. And a clean, comfortable waiting area makes it even easier for Precision Automotive and Transmission customers. Shop mascot Buzz loves to hang out and soak up the atmosphere. Customer service is king and Buzz is on board. Ongoing ASE certified technical training provides the basis for smooth service, better running vehicles, and keeping folks behind the wheel. And state-of-the-art equipment can be found at Precision. Precision works on any make and model. And Precision is expert at transmission work as well, saving customers time, trouble, and expense. Diagnostics at Precision Automotive and Transmission is thorough. Instead of reading only a fraction of important information, as some do, diagnostics is precise and precision. Quality AC Delco parts also play a significant part in keeping Precision's customers moving. After the repair, an important element of the service at Precision is their 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, the best warranty in the business. So, from the beginning of the process to the satisfaction of a job done well, Precision has earned its name since 1995. Come on in to Precision Automotive and Transmission, and they'll keep you on the road.